Hi guys. Hi everyone. I'm sorry I got 2 minutes late. It's super hot. So we'll wait for like 5 to 7 minutes for everyone to join and then we'll start, okay? Till then, if you want to ask me any question, that'll be great. How's everyone doing in this quarantine time? I hope everyone's wearing yellow, huh? I'm serious. Please spin the song, please. Okay, there's one problem about the song. That is, it's a big song, so I had to edit it. Now the problem is I didn't know where to put up the edited version. So I decided that after the class, what I'll do is y'all personally DM me your email ID. So then I'll send the edited version to all of y'all personally so that y'all can practice and make covers on it. Sounds cool? For now, I'll be playing the edited version from here so y'all can hear the timing and everything. And then later on, I'll send it to y'all so that y'all can practice. How to make our left arm as strong as our right arm while whacking. Trust me, that's something that I personally also struggle. So it's just whenever I'm doing any drills with my right arm, I make sure that immediately after that, I do with my left arm. Like suppose, for example, if I'm doing 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, next 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Then if I'm doing this from this side, I make sure I do it from this side as well. So that's how it's just about practice, you know. Should we start? What's the time? 6:05. I think we should wait for 5 more minutes. Drink water, guys. Drink water. Keep yourself hydrated. Are you guys excited? Guys, shoot me questions. It's fine. At least for 5 minutes we can chat. Ask me any question. Please teach some basics before starting. Yes. So I am going to start with basics itself. So don't worry. I'll teach those specific exercises that I used in my choreo. So then y'all will not take much time while learning the choreography. So I'll make sure I do that. Will this live be saved? I don't think it will be saved, but I'll go very slow, and just in case y'all don't get it, don't worry. Right after the class, I'm gonna upload a tutorial, small tutorial where y'all can pick up the pace and see it again and learn. My love for whacking grew when I saw you all. Thank you so much, Anju. Thank you. Guys, I will email you the song. Just mail me. Just message me on my DM. My Instagram ID is anaswa.chaudhary. Just go to my profile and message me. I'll make sure I see everyone's message and I'll personally take your mail IDs and I'll send you all the song. Mail ID, I'll send you by Gmail. Don't worry. Just make sure you have a mail ID. That's all y'all need. Yay, I'm so excited. People are wearing yellows. Awesome. 10 points to Derps _dancer09. How many dance forms you learn? My basic is Kathak. That's what I'm trained in for 13 years. Apart from that, I fell in love with whacking, so I started whacking after that, and eventually I started doing other styles as well, so it just tagged along. Thank you, Shagun. Thank you. Hi, Anushi. I'm so excited. I hope You do my choreo, please. I know you'll do it awesome. Hi Ash, what's up? How to be sharp in our moves. Again, it's just about practice. We have to keep doing. Also, I would suggest you guys to do body control. That's very important for a dancer in general. So just keep doing a move like 10 times till you know your body is in control and you can control it and do. I've seen many people just, that's not in your control. You make sure you are in control. Even the slow, don't make it look like that. Boom, 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 boom. Ha, 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 ha. You should know where your hands are going, where your body is, where you are. You should be aware of your body. Okay, I fell in love with. Thanks, Vinny. Thank you, guys. I think I'm gonna start. You can upload the music on Google Drive and put the link in your bio. Yeah, I can do that too. Okay, let me think about it. Hi Soumya, what's up? Hi Nidhi. Hi everyone. I'm so excited you all have come. I'm sweating. Hi Ayushi. Oh god, I'm so bad at this. Thanks Anju. Can anyone be able to learn classical and western together? Yeah, of course you can. I mean, if you're a classical dancer, that's like that's a bonus point to you. Because classical dancers, they the first thing they learn is beat sense. So if you have good beat sense, that's always a plus point for you. And since we have a classical base, it's easier for us to pick up other styles. Although it's not easy to get the body language, trust me, I still struggle, but then it's easier to learn, you know. Okay, I think I'm gonna start. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my. Should I turn off my comments? It's okay. I'll start. Okay. So let's just do a little warm up and do some basics, and then we go forward. Okay. I have a time restriction, so cool. Let's start. I'll play some song. Guys, bear with me. My laptop is that side, so I have to go run and play song and come back. Are you all there with me? Okay, I'm turning off the comments. Cool. Let's start with some warm up, okay? Head first. 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, faster. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and faster, 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 faster. I'll just sing the song. No sunshine. How are you guys doing? I hope y'all are following me. Yeah? Now after the isolation of the wrist, let's do sign. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These exercises are opening up of our body, okay? So that we can use each body part. Isolations, arms, big, big, in, out, in, side. Just open your body. Out, out, in, out, Okay. Now let's start with basic arms, okay? I'll just go forward quickly because I'm sure you all know the basics, so I won't waste much time in it. I'll just quickly do it. Right arm. 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's in control. Ha. Control. Ha. 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 Faster. Left side. And 5, 6, 7. Together. Ha. 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 Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha. 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 Now just arms, okay? Rolls. Make sure it's big. Not here, okay, guys? Please don't do this. Big, big, not this. Big, big, big. Ha, 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 ha. We'll do faster. And 5, 6, 7, go. Ha, 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 ha. Come on, guys. Let's go. Woo, 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 woo. Now we'll do alternate, okay? Ha. Faster. 5, 6, 7. Woo. Big, 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 big. Ha, 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 ha. Faster. 6, 7, 8. How are you guys doing? My arms are already sore. I want to apologize if I can't give my full out because I've injured my right shoulder badly, so it just keeps coming back whenever I wax. So apology from now. Let's drink some water. How's it going, guys? Enjoying? Crazy. I'm gonna turn off commenting again so that we can get back to our training. Keep it up, guys. Keep up with me. Let's go. Woo. Now, we do different kind of drills. Okay? Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. Ha, ha. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da 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 da. Okay, my bangles are hurting me. I'm gonna open them and keep them for my performance. Okay? Ready? Let's go. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, 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 ha. We go faster. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Da 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 da. Woo, let's go. Faster. Woo. Let's go. Woo. Okay, next exercise. Let's go. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, also another common question that people ask me is whether we should keep it a fist or whether we should open it or we should do like this. My opinion is you should do whatever you feel like. It's totally up to us. There's no restriction. Like someone can do a gun, someone can do a deer, like that's up to them. But then to make it clean and for the beginners, I suggest that you all keep it close fist so that it's clean. And also please never, while whacking, we never do this. It's never like that, okay? Or it's never like that. Make sure it's like, it's tied, okay? It's like one piece. It's a one part, okay? So, it goes like that. It never goes like that, okay? Never. Don't bend your wrist. Always straight. Going ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Woo! Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you move your body. Da 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 da. And faster. The other side. Other side. 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Faster. 6, 7, 8. there's an element we use called posing as well, okay? It's a different element altogether. So which is like this pose. Da-da-da. Ha, 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 ha. So now I can't see all, but give me some poses, okay? Give me some pose. Let's see. And I want loud. Okay, first let's do small pose and then we'll do loud pose, okay? Let's go. Make sure we hear the beat. Small pose. Let's go. You guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha. Ha. What happened? What happened? Got the idea? So make sure if you want to do poses and make it look dramatic, make sure that you guys are in different levels. Like if we do it here, it's small, yeah? It's ha, 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 ha. That's fine with me. But to make it look more dramatic, we can do in different levels. Like ha, sit, boom, ha, 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 on the floor. Ha, 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 ha. Slowly, slowly get up, 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 up. Ha, 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 ha. You know what I mean? Play around, play around. Okay. Small poses done. Now we do big poses, okay? Loud. Like boom, boom, boom. Ha, ha, whoop, ha, whoop, ha, ha. You know? Loud. Let's try with the sound. So, it's like 5, 6. Loud, loud, loud. Ha, 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 ha. Woo. You know what I mean? Loud pose. Got it? Okay. I'll turn on comments now just to check on y'all. How's it going? How's it going, guys? Drink some water. Bring some water. Whoops. Guys, are y'all getting? Are y'all getting? Are y'all with me? Say yes, say yes. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! Great, great. Got it, ma'am. One more. Which one you want? One more. Also, one exercise, okay? One exercise I tell y'all for musicality. It's very, very important, okay? So even if you don't feel like dancing, you listen to song, listen to any song, but then to improve your musicality, just listen to music and try to catch the. again. The big step. So the big step is not any step. It's up to you. I was just giving you all an example. You all can this or this or like a split. Since we did not do warm up, I don't want to do that. Go to a split and like, you know, or like a hold it, or like a loud, like make a statement. You know what I mean? Loud, all of a sudden loud, like that. Okay, I'm going ahead. Turning off my comments. Woo! Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. More exercises. I'm gonna keep a check on timing. Okay. Cool. Let's go. So, alternate. Make sure whenever we do a rotation movement, okay, like a roll, we always do our rolls from our elbows. Like I said, no wrist, just from elbow, like here. Make sure we practice this at home. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight. Shoulder level. Straight. It should be a straight line, okay? Ha, 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 and back. Boom, 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 and reverse. Ha, 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 ha. Faster, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Faster. Other way. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we do an alternate arm, okay? Alternate. How do we do alternate? Keep arms here. First we go right. When right comes here, same time, left. Are my arms going out of the frame? Second. Is that better? I think that's better. Yeah. Okay. So, alternate arms. Here. One. Same time. The other hand. Same time. This goes on, okay? So, it's here. This starts. Left starts. Right continues. Right continues. Left here. Right circle. The circle continues. But alternate. Got me? Again, one slowly. 5, 6 slowly, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, and 2, and 3. Faster. La la da la. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. Faster, 6, 7, 8. Da la 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 la. Ha ha ha. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms. The other way. Let's go the other way. Always make sure we do exercises with both arms. Then, you know, you won't have the problem of having your left shoulder being a little weak. Okay? Let's start with left now. Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, go. Right starts. And ha. And ha.
I'm only coming out to play. Nothing more that I hate in this
Are you
life.
getting me?
The
Are
wrong
you catching me?
I only
Again.
have one to make. You can open your mouth,
Alternate.
waiting to get a break. The
And
cards are
5,
falling
6,
to me.
7,
And what about me? is yours,
Okay.
is mine.
Right arm.
And look at the
1,
time.
2, 3. Right arm is 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Left arm, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Da-da. Ha. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just that one is going ahead and one is going backward. Like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Now I'm doing it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it, guys? Got it? Did you all get 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 it, guys? Pa-ra-ra-ra-ra. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got it? Awesome. Crazy. Okay. Pa-ra-ra-ra-ra. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. You know what? I think I'm going to start with the choreo now because we won't have time to complete it and I really want to finish it. What's it, guys? What do you think? Should I start with the choreo? Minutes water break. Let's talk. Woo. I'm going to put the fan on. Okay guys, ask me questions before we start the choreo. 6:45. Okay, we have time till 8 o'clock and I really want to finish the choreo. So, I love the song. So, there are a few drills which you have to practice a lot of times to make it look clean and nice. But rest is just like Bollywood, you know, it's full feel and feel sexy and all about that. And the timing, of course. But like this, you have to practice a lot of times to make it right, okay? Then there's one more where our legs and hands are doing the same move. That also we have to practice a lot of times. So don't worry. Awesome. Everyone wants to learn the choreo. Hey Soumya, glad you're here. Okay. Yes, let's start. Guys, unfortunately, I don't think I can save it, but I'll try to do something about it. Don't worry, I'll try to save this tutorial and maybe upload it later on my channel. I can do that for you guys, but let's try to learn it now, okay? And let's not waste time. Just ask me questions. I'm gonna start like in 5 minutes, okay? Please say, really excited. Yay, me too. Is it true that beginners should try different style rather than focusing on one? See, I think you can always learn all the styles, but it's just they say that you have to focus on one style to make your bass strong. Like for me, I'm gonna put the volume down. So it's like my basis classical. So when I was learning that, and besides that, I also learned basics of ballet and jazz. But then that was not my focus. My focus was Kathak and classical. That's what I put my focus in. So it's always better to do that. And when you excel, then you can always shift to other styles. Is it a little tough for the beginners like me? It's just about practice. You can always do it. It's totally up to you. And you don't have to get it right. You don't have to do exactly like me. It's your version of your choreo. Just trying is a big thing. So, just give your 100%. I'm sure you can do it. Is this choreo comfortable for beginners? I just answered that question. Can you tell about drills? Yeah, I just taught you some basic stuff because we don't have much time. I can't teach you more, but House of Suraj is giving classes in verb. You should always go for that. You should register yourself, learn. There are proper breakdown and different kinds of videos where you can learn all the drills, footwork, arms, so many things. There's so much knowledge there. Y'all should definitely take that class. I want to ask, is the pain same when we exercise whacking basic if he or she is beginner and if she is advanced? See, I'll tell you a basic thing, okay? For example, if I start doing a push-up today, like suppose it's my first time I'm doing push-up, I don't think I'll be able to do more than 5, okay? Now tomorrow, maybe I can go to 6. Day after, maybe I'll do 7. Post that, maybe I can do 8. Post that, maybe I can do 10. You never know. It's totally up to me. So obviously, if I'm doing more and more, that means I can do more. So doing those 5 push-ups, it's kind of easy to me. It's the same thing here. The more we practice, the more easier it gets. It's just it's like super smooth. You can just oh, it's nothing. What is happening? I don't know. My arms are going. Is it going fast? Oh, I don't know. That happens. But that happens when you practice. Otherwise, it looks like this. It should not look like that. You know what I mean? Basics, very, 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 very important. Just like a classical dance. You have to practice the basics. You have to practice tatkar. You have to practice drills. You have to practice control. That's how you can, you know where your body is going. You can hear the beat and control it with your arms. It comes with practice. I just answered. Love, back to you. Can you put some tutorials for drills too? Like I said, you should do the classes. That's better for you. Can you make tutorials? Oh, same thing. On which song you teach us? What do you think? What am I wearing? On what song am I going to teach? I already put it out on my story. Where do your wrists usually face during drills? Like I said, for beginners, you should always do fist and do it like that. Okay? Sometimes you can do this. For the others, there are different people who do different fingers. Some are just like that. You know what I mean? It's up to you. But make sure it's not like this. It's always like someone can do a slash. Like a slash. You know what I mean? Like that. Okay, I think I should start. Otherwise, I won't be able to finish it. I think whacking and Kathak hand movements be the same. No, I don't think it's the same. It's different. I don't take whacking classes online. No, like I said, House of Suraj has whacking classes, so y'all can always do that. How should I train myself in whacking? Like one hand is doing whacking movements and another hand is doing some another gestures. How should I practice? You should practice. There is no way of there's no secret. It's just practice. Just maybe start with basic, like just do this with left arm. See, it's not easy, even I'm like struggling, like woo, woo, ha, ha. Okay, I'm doing it really badly, but then it's just about practice. You have to practice, okay? Basic. How should I improve whacking freestyle? I always end up doing mostly open arms. Okay, Sanu, my it's the same thing. You know what? It's okay. It's okay to be wrong. It's okay if you don't freestyle very good, because everyone is not a good freestyle dancer. It's okay. So maybe change your songs. Play different songs. Play the ones you like. See if you can feel the song. It's just about feeling the song, okay? I mean, if you don't connect with the music, you won't be able to freestyle. It'll be just, oh, I'm catching the beat. You have to connect to the sound. You have to connect. Otherwise, it's just going to be like, okay, you know, these are my steps. I'm gonna do that. No. Maybe I don't know this song, okay? But I know I'll make it my song. Okay? Like, change your dimension, change your direction, go right, left, center, back, down. While back, go down, come up, take a twirl. Give different flavors to your freestyle, then it'll look nice. You know what I mean? Of course, like that's what I do. I mix style, I mix Kathak with whacking. I do, but then that's a different thing altogether. That's just different choreographies. Who is your favorite Kathak dancer, ma'am? It's Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji, of course, like, because I learned from him. I had the privilege to learn from him and perform for him. It was a big thing for me, and yeah. There are many Kathak dancers who are my favorite actually. Kumar Sharma is one of them. He's a beautiful dancer. You all should follow him and see his dance. He's absolutely brilliant. And Nayantara ji is really good. Vidha Lal ji are like, they are legendary dancers, you know. Okay, let's start. I'm not going to finish it. I love whacking. How many questions do I have? Oh my god, there are so many. Wait. Let me just. I love whacking, but I don't enjoy disco music. Is it okay to practice whacking on any? It's absolutely fine to practice whacking on any kind of music. And if you don't like disco music, you can always listen to songs which are close to disco and feel me like, I am a disco dancer. Tan, tan, tan. Come on, tell me you don't like that. Or it's the time to disco. Da, 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 da. You know, these are songs that we listened to when we grew up. So I'm sure you'll like it. So maybe practice with these kind of songs. It'll give you, if you give expressions and poses, it looks better. It has a purpose. Remember, everything has a purpose, you know. Do something with purpose. Just don't. Why am I doing this? I don't know. There has to be a purpose behind everything. Like if you're doing pose, that should be like, maybe I am looking for my beloved, so I'm giving expressions like that. You know what I mean? I have a purpose of doing that. I'm just not faking it and be like, oh, you know, I have to look pretty, or you know, let me just give expressions. No, there is a purpose behind it. I am gonna start, okay? Okay, 5 minutes left. I think I have to log out and start again. I have 2 more minutes. Come on, ask me questions. It's fine. Now I'm gonna answer because I don't think I can start and. Sahil is saying I love you. I love you too. From the other room. Yes, I'm going to start the choreo. Unfortunately, I have to start it in the next session. So, Like, I'll come back in 2 minutes and I'll be live again. Please guys, don't go anywhere. I'm gonna come back again like in a minute. I have to exit, like I have to end this live and start again. So I read this on a couple of sites. Whacking doesn't footwork on its own, so we just do any footwork. What's your word on it? Also, please tell about the groove of whacking. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about the groove of whacking when I start the live session again. And about the footwork, see, actually, you can say that there is no particular footwork of whacking, but then it's inspired from disco, it's inspired from house. Like, there are so many footworks we can use. It's up to us. So many salsa shines people use while whacking. It looks really graceful, you know. So yeah, you can always use other footworks. How to control body whacking practice: slow, then medium, then fast pace. That's how you'll get it. Okay guys, I'm coming back. Okay, bye. Please don't go anywhere. I'm coming back.